swept under the rug.
That's how a former Shawnee High School student says he felt when he went to police about this man. Former Shawnee High School coach and athletic director Ron Arthur.
Arthur now on trial for soliciting minors for sex on the gay app Grindr. News 4's Caitlin Ogle has been in the courtroom all day, and she is live in Shawnee with more. Caitlin.
Well, this case is about one student, but prosecutors say the coach shows a pattern of behavior. Other former students testifying about their own similar encounters. But defense attorneys urging the jurors pay attention to the evidence or lack thereof.
It was traumatizing. It ruined my high school life at that point in time.
Rob Hare speaking to News 4 minutes after testifying at Ron Arthur's trial. The former Shawnee coach and athletic director is accused of sexually soliciting a 17-year-old student in 2021 on the app Grindr. The student says Arthur knew he was 17 years old when they were chatting. He knew who he was, and they discussed plans after he graduated. After graduation, they met up for sexual acts. Although there is only one victim associated with this charge, prosecutors say his past shows a pattern. Two former students testifying about similar situations with Arthur. Hare says back in 2007, while he was still Arthur's basketball player, Arthur inappropriately touched him multiple times.
My mother and I, my stepdad, we took it to the police department. We took it to the school administration. We took it to the board. Thought we were going through the proper channels. He was given a book to read on sensitivity.
Defense attorneys question if it was typical locker room talk and actions. 3 years before Hare, another former student testifying he unknowingly chatted with Arthur online while on the verge of not graduating. When Arthur revealed who he was, the student says Arthur threatened to ruin his chances of graduating if he didn't perform sexual acts. The student says he told the counselor multiple times, but nothing happened. He was ashamed.
It's extremely difficult to come out because it's, the shame.
Meanwhile, defense attorneys question his timeline from 18 years ago. But Hare believes other victims are still out there.
Own your truth, speak your truth, and people will have your back.
Now, defense attorneys argue the acts with the student involved with the charges against Arthur were consensual. But the student says he only agreed to meet up to break himself mentally because he was thinking about taking his own life. Now, here's the thing to remember. The age of consent in Oklahoma is 16, but the law also says you can't have conversations or sexual conversations with anyone under the age of 18 over technology. The trial starts back up tomorrow morning. We're live in Pottawatomie County. Caitlin Ogle, Oklahoma's News 4.